In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to manage stock and inventory, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through making a stock adjustment in Xero so your on-hand quantities match what's actually on your shelves after a stock take, damage, shrinkage, or a quick top-up. This is a simple process, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can post adjustments confidently. Start by logging into your Xero account. On the Xero homepage, click Login, then enter your email and password, and click Login again to continue. If you have extra security set up, just complete that prompt and you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, open the business menu at the top and choose Products and Services. This is where all your items live. Find and select the item you want to adjust. You can use the search bar to locate it quickly. Make sure the item you're adjusting is a tracked inventory item. That's what supports quantity and cost tracking. Inside the item, click New Adjustment. This opens the adjustment panel where you tell Xero what's changing. By default, you'll see Decrease Quantity. If you're adding stock, switch it to Increase Quantity. Think of this as the direction of change. Decrease for write-offs or corrections when you have too much in the system. Increase for receipts that didn't flow through another process. Next, type the quantity you're adjusting by. This is the amount of change, not the new total on hand. For example, if you found 2 extra units, choose Increase and enter 2. If you're writing off 3 damaged units, choose Decrease and enter 3. Xero will handle the cost using the item's tracked average cost. Now select the adjustment account. Many businesses use an inventory adjustments or a stock shrinkage account for decreases and an appropriate inventory or clearing account for increases. If you're unsure which ledger to pick, check your chart of accounts or ask your advisor to keep your financials tidy. Add a clear reference so you know why this change happened, such as stock take variance or damaged goods. This helps with audit trails and future reviews. Click Next to review your adjustment details. Double-check the item, direction, quantity, and account. When everything looks right, click Post Adjustment. Xero updates the on-hand quantity and records the journal behind the scenes, giving you a clean, traceable record. That's it. Repeat the process for any other items that need corrections. With a consistent approach to adjustments and clear references, your stock levels and financial reporting will stay accurate and easy to reconcile.